Interpreting the technical specifications for the Vickers amplifier card. EEA-PAM-533-A-32. The 533 has a maximum solenoid current of 2.7 amps. It has a gain, with factory settings, measured at 10% per volt. Deadband compensation, with factory settings, is 15% of maximum spool stroke. The power supply has a nominal voltage of 24 volts DC by 50 watts. The dither is factory set. For command inputs, it has a current range of 0 plus or minus milliamps. Ramp time adjustment with factory settings requires a minimum of 50 milliseconds. Overload detection will automatically reset this Euro card. The ambient operational temperature range is 0 to 50 degrees Celsius. This Euro card weighs 0.15 pounds. Thank you for watching. Wake Industrial is your partner in progress for all EEA-PAM card sales and replacements.